Governor Brian Kemp's new executive order loosening COVID restrictions in full effect. Some of the biggest changes are for bars and restaurants. They no longer have to space out tables, and workers no longer have to wear masks. Now, some other key provisions of Governor Brian Kemp's order lifts COVID requirements for gyms, movie theaters, salons, and similar businesses. And it also lifts limits on visitors to child care facilities. Now, you can read more about these new guidelines and some other ones included on 11alive.com.